I've just had a bit of a go at welding steel and aluminium together. Um, I used a gasless MIG welder just for purely for shits and giggles. I've got a bunch of scrap metal. I'm about to take the scrap metal yard, and thought before I do that, I'll just tack some together and see what happens. Obviously, I know it's not something you'd normally do. I just wanted to see what would happen. It sort of worked. I had to keep the aluminium hot with a butane torch because it dissipates its heat too quickly. So it was never going to work just trying to weld it directly. But yeah, it's worked, and it's actually, I can twist this. Oh, it's still pretty hot. I can twist this, and it's got some strength to it. I'll try. I can whack it even, and it's not going to come apart. That's. It's definitely joined. I don't know how long it's going to last. Being different metals, they're obviously going to react with each other. Try to bash it on the concrete, eh? That's not going anywhere. Oh, actually, I lie. It's cracked. I'm just going to break this apart just so we can see. There it goes. So, I'd say it's basically just damaged the alloy. It hasn't really penetrated. I'm no expert. I don't know. It could be excessive heat. It could be not enough heat. Maybe the heat dissipated too quickly. I don't know. But that clearly hasn't grabbed. Maybe it's the different metals. Maybe they just cannot bond together. So there's basically no aluminium left behind, which leaves there's small patches, but pretty much that is all just steel. So yeah, we've got a failure there. It had a bit of strength though. I mean, I was able to bash it a few times before it actually came apart. I can't think of any practical purpose for you trying to weld aluminium and steel together with this method. I know it's actually possible with new rods and things, but yeah, this was just a bit of a joke, bit of a trial and error.